Now we come to the continuity equation under Lagrangian description. In Lagrangian description, we taking the density in initial coordinate system. Here we taking come to this diagram. This is an undeformed shape of any cell. This is denoted R0 means volume at t is equal to 0, region R0, and coordinate are row A1, A2, A3 at time t is equal to 0. This is initial before deformed shape, and this is deformed shape at time t, A1, A2, A3 after time t, which we are using. So density in undeformed shape is rho A1, A2, A3 t, and density in deformed shape A1, A2, A3 and t. Now consider the continuum in initial region RT at t is equal to 0. This one, ascribed by the line parallel to the y axis. These are parallel to this axis. This is parallel to this axis. After deformation, these lines will describe the curve in RT. This one. If I talking to this cell, this convert into this cell. RT at time t. These curve along which only the values of AI varies may be considered as a set of curvilinear coordinate system. This become curvilinear, as we see in the balloon diagram, balloon experiment. So volume in the initial stage, in this stage, dV at undeformed shape is nothing but length, breadth and height, that is dA1, dA2, dA3. So dV0 is nothing but dA1, dA2, dA3 in undeformed shape. But when these sides dy1, dyj2, dy3k in three-dimensional figure, these sides convert dA1, dA2, dA3 convert in these three sides in deformed shape, or this is of the parabola dVt corresponding to the differential line segment, because these become curvilinear line segment along the curvilinear coordinate in the deformed body owing to the differential changes. So what we get, the line segment which is having the direction, because it is in a curvilinear coordinate system, and length. So it become a vector quantity. So vector is a tensor of order 1. So by this tensor law of order 1, we convert the curvilinear line coordinate dyi1 with respect to dA1 denoted by this tensor system of first law. Similarly dyj2 denoted by this, and similarly dyk3 denoted by this, by using first order tensor law. Yi is our final frame of reference, Ai is our initial frame of reference. This is using in our next slide, so remember it. This is the volume of deformed shape. V is equal to epsilon ijk dy1 1 dyj2 dyk3. In some text material it is given directly. How it come, we are showing here. Volume of V of a rectangular paraboloid is given by V is A dot B cross C, where A, B, C are the quarter minus edges. First we taking B cross C. Let's suppose B cross C is D. So V becomes A dot D. And in continuum mechanics, A dot B is written as AI BI. So here we get AI DI. So V becomes AI and DI. From 1, this DI, what we get, A cross B written as epsilon ijk AJ BK. So here DI is nothing but epsilon ijk BJ CK. So substituting this DI here. So this AI and value of DI is epsilon ijk BJ CK. So now V is nothing but epsilon ijk AI BJ CK. So we are using this. Here in our case, AI, BJ, CKR, DY11, DYJ2, DYK3. So substituting this in this, we get V is equal to epsilon ijk, TYI1, DYJ2, DYK3. Now, substituting these three values which we are giving in the earlier slide or this one, putting this in there, what we are doing here, DA1, DA2, DA3 taking here and remaining is taking here. And what is this definition of? This is definition of Jacobian. So this becomes Jacobian DA1, DA2, DA3. So DVT becomes J DA1, DA2, DA3. This DA1, DA2, DA3 already we seen in earlier slide in the undeformed shape. This is J dV0, volume at undeformed shape. So we get a relation dVt is nothing but J dV0 because dV0 is nothing but dA1, dA2, dA3. So next, this Jacobian may be opening by this. You are familiar already this. Since the mass contained in R0 should be identically same as that of RT because we want to derive continuity equation, and behind the continuity equation what we are preserved, mass should be preserved. So mass at R0 or mass at RT should be same. So this is mass at RT, density into volume is nothing but mass, and this is mass at R0. What we are doing, this integral form is called continuity equation in the Lagrangian viewpoint. Integral form of continuity equation in Lagrangian form. Since we are already getting dVt is nothing but J dV0. So substituting this dVt, J dV0 here. So what we get, this is J dV0. When we are talking in the, what we are doing here, we are transforming from deformed shape to undeformed shape. dV0 means undeformed shape. So this becomes R0. Now in this equation, dV0 means integral with respect to dV0 are same. Limits or region R0 is same, means integrand must be same. But this equation should hold true for any region R0. Any region R0 means we are taking some cell. In the diagram we are taking, there are many cells. We are taking a particular cell. Here we are integrating means we are taking full diagram. So any region ले सकते हैं उसके अंदर कोई सा भी R0. So this is an arbitrary region. Due to this arbitrary region, integrand must be same. So what we get, rho A1, A2, A3 at time t j is equal to rho A1, A2, A3, 0. What this equation playing a vital role here because what we are seeing here, this term is independent of t, and in this term t is present, but these are equal. It means the term is independent of t. Although t is involved, but it is independent of t. So this term should be, when differentiating with respect to t, this should be 0. The right hand side of the last relation is independent of t. So the left hand side must also be independent of t. If it is independent of t, so first derivative with respect to t should be 0. It is called the differential form of continuity equation in Lagrangian viewpoint. So we are taking two forms. One is integral form of continuity equation and other is differential form of continuity equation in Lagrangian viewpoint. And what important, other important is, these are all represented in initial coordinate system. After that we are taking Eulerian description system, in which we are always taking final coordinate system where yi is also variable and t is also variable. So next we are taking Eulerian description continuity equations.